Hey there, welcome back. Today we are talking about should, shouldn't, and should have. Are you done shoulding on yourself? You know, that perpetual thinking of all these things and how they contribute to your overall well-being? Well, it's time to shift this mind chatter. All that pressure, doubt, uncertainty, and fear, what is that doing for you, your livelihood, and your mental health? Myself, I would often ruminate and worry about things that I could have done or should have done differently. But those decisions are past and gone, and hanging on to them wasn't serving me. All it did was create doubt, fear, anger, low self-esteem, and worry. It was wreaking havoc on my health, my sense of worth, and my ability to make clear decisions or feel safe in life, thus propelling me into seclusion, despair, and hopelessness. And my body started shutting down. It was keeping me stuck in roles, patterns, habits, and thoughts that were running my life. Is this just me, or have all the shoulds been running your life too? So how do we liberate ourselves from the shoulds and shift into a life experience where we are in the driver's seat? First, we need to see it for what it is, blocks. And then we start dismantling these blocks. Tell me, do any of these thoughts sound familiar to you? As many of them resonated with me in a big way. Do you often think, you didn't do enough, you aren't enough, you should have done more, and no matter how hard you work or try, it just isn't enough? This is the perfection pressure block. Or maybe you think it's selfish if you put your needs first, that others have it worse. You should only be thinking of others and you put off your own needs or self-care most of the days. This is the other opinions block. Or how about that you should be able to get everything done in a day, but it's overwhelming and hard to accomplish everything. There is just so much pressure. Decisions are hard to make, and you go to bed thinking about everything you didn't get done. This is the time tightness block. And then you might think your body isn't where it should be. You are doing things that you shouldn't be doing, and everything you are trying just isn't working. You have a love-hate relationship with your body. This is the body burden block. Last but not least, you feel you shouldn't be spending money on anything but the bills. You should be grateful for the job you hate because it pays those bills. And you just can't afford things in life that you actually want to have or experience. This is the money mindset block. Now, these are the 5 most common blocks that are keeping us stuck. They impose limitations on your life, and they keep you from doing what you came here to do, be, and experience. So which of them do you relate to? For me, I resonated with 3 of them in a big way, and the other 2 to a small degree. So the question becomes, so how do you begin dismantling them? Well, you start with the support of those who have been there, done that, and have been mastering this energy. Individuals who have practical tools, supportive stories, and insights, and have the steps that will take you from all the shoulds to what is possible, and yes, this is what I want. That is why I'm so excited to be one of the speakers on the upcoming 555 challenge that helped transform these 5 blocks into 5 freedoms in 5 days. This is all done in collaboration with my mentor, Lita Sportel, and my fellow whole wellness coaches. We are joining together every day to bring you the tools, tips, and information that will bring you out of certainty, doubt, and fear, and into a sense of, I got this. There is so much in store for all of us next week. You can start shifting your life, and it can be as easy as signing up for the free 555 challenge. Follow the link in the comments or description below to claim your spot at the challenge. I am looking forward to start dismantling these blocks with you. Much love, light, and joy.